Hello everyone. Hello beautiful people of the internet. I am Money and I welcome you back to my channel. It has been a while since I have recorded a video to upload to YouTube, and that's because of a lot of different things that have been happening in my life. My life has just been very chaotic and seeming as if it's just all falling apart, and I've just needed to take a step back from everything for a while to try to make sure that I was okay and to make myself be okay. But today I'm just having a really bad bout of depression because I do struggle with depression, and I have been struggling with it for going 6 months, 6 or 7 months. This is has been the longest episode of depression I have dealt with, and it was caused by a very traumatic experience I went through in October 2019, and it's just been very hard for me to bounce back, and that's been hard for me on so many different levels because I'm so used to being a very strong person, not easily to be shaken. Like, my skin over the years has gotten very tough, and so that just goes to show like how traumatic of an experience I went through in October, and it has just affected me on so many levels. Like, I've already had insomnia for so many years now, and it's like just been hard for me to sleep. Not only because of just the pure insomnia itself, but also because I've stayed up so late for so many years doing so much schoolwork. Even in middle school, that's when I started staying up to like midnight, 1 a.m. And as the years just went on, I would stay up even later. And so I've gotten used to it. My body has gotten used to it. Even on days that I don't need to stay up that late, like, I stay up. I'll be up because my body's used to it. So I have really bad insomnia. But the experience in October just intensified that. It's just the thoughts of the things are just constantly on my mind, and it's the worst at night. And so I'll stay up until like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning because of just the things in my head that won't let me rest, and it's really affected my health because I can't sleep because of the trauma, and it just affects my well-being, my quality of life, my schoolwork because I'm too tired. Like, it's like when I'm out of class, I want to sleep. I don't want to be doing any work. So I do as much work as I can, and I take naps, like so many naps throughout the day. It's ridiculous, and I've never been one to take naps, and it's just changed me completely. And I've just been really down lately and haven't been wanting to film any videos. And on top of that, my camera has been acting up, and so I had to fix that before I could film. So I just had to have backup videos to that had been pre-recorded to upload. But today I want to film a video, a life update. As you can already see from what you have heard already, it isn't an update, but I want to also do a mukbang. This is my first one, and I just hope that it'll make me feel better, give me some type of happiness in this little depressed mood swing that I'm going through, because I had a really bad night last night. But what I'm going to be eating for the second time ever is Well, for so many years, I have wanted to try pho, and I tried it like within the first few weeks of me moving to New York about 2 years ago, and the place that I had it from, I did not like it. I wasn't feeling it, not at all. But this cafe that I get my bubble tea or boba from on campus, they started selling pho recently, and so I decided to go get some today and to try taste test it in front of you all and just chat with you. And this is a little logo. It says Faux Cup, powered by, what did I say, Dashi NYC. And I got the beef and chicken combo. It comes with braised short rib, ginger lemongrass chicken, rice noodles, 5 spice beef broth, fresh vegetables, and herbs. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like if I can. Y'all see? I don't want it to spill. Yeah. Okay, and to drink, I got my favorite I want to say tea. It's the honey jasmine green tea, and instead of boba, I got jelly. It's so good. It really complements. It tastes like jasmine as well, and so it really complements it. They're both flavor. I don't know if it's the jelly is jasmine flavor. I don't know, but it tastes good. So that's why I got it. So let's try this. I don't really know how to tackle it, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get into it. Okay. Okay. I like that. That's better than the other one I had. Okay, you see me. Oh, that's good. I like it. It's just like, it tastes really herbally. Like a little bit sweet, not very sweet. But very, very fresh, not heavy. That beef is good. That's a big piece of beef, y'all. Look. Ooh, wee. Good. And it was $11.95. I don't know if that's a good price, but for like the prices of ramen here in New York City, like you compare that to this, like the ramen is like 16 plus for a bowl of ramen, maybe like this big. So I guess that's a good price. Where's the chicken? Get a piece of chicken. I'll show you. That's a chicken. Very small compared to that big old chunk of beef they gave me, but I'm glad they gave it to me. It's surely good. Not as flavorful as it be, but still good. Put a little soy sauce on there. Give it a little bit more salty. I know some of y'all may be annoyed by me talking with my mouth full, but if you don't like it, you can go. I'm trying to be civil, but I'm just at a point. My give a damn don't give a damn no more. Like, for real. Like, give a damn, just don't give a damn no more. Like, I don't care what people think of me. Because a lot of people, it's just like, people be like, fuck Monica with what they do, the grimy shit that they do. Okay, you gonna do some grimy shit. Okay, same to you. I'm not gonna kiss ass. I ain't gonna kiss nobody's ass. I do so much for people, so nice to people, but people don't just be horrible to me. Treat me, just walk all over me. That's what I mean. Act like I'm less than human. I can only be used and abused. This is my favorite part. But this is my first mukbang, however you want to pronounce it. I don't know the correct pronunciation, but this is just my first. Like, I know some people are so good at talking while they're eating, but I don't know what to say. But just to go with a stream of consciousness, I think it was, no, it was not yesterday. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. So Sunday evening or early Monday morning, like in the like 12 a.m. or whatever, we got news that the first case of coronavirus in New York City was confirmed, and it was a woman in Manhattan. And when I say people have been going crazy, going nuts, like it's just, I don't know. It is scary, but you just gotta know. You gotta remember illness prevention techniques. Wash your hands, cover your mouth when you sneeze. Cough, don't be all up in a sick person's face or something like that. People act like it's the end of the world, but if you just do those things and try to prevent the illness and not attack a certain group of people just because the illness came from an area, region, country in which they are of descent. Like, that's not fair. If you just focus on keeping yourself well and not ostracizing other people who probably don't even have the shit, then you'll be alright. Just worry about you and whoever else you have to worry about. Okay? But I thank you guys for tuning in to watch, listen. I'm sorry that I'm not my usual self, and I'm sorry that I can't figure out where to look when I'm recording. Where to look over here, look over there, or dead in the center. I don't know where to look because I don't know what to look right to you all. I figured it out, but since it's been so long since I filmed, I done forgot. So I don't know where to look anymore. And I know it's like I've been looking all over the place, like like I don't even know, like a crazy person. But that's just because I'm trying to figure out what looks right. But I'm like going besides the point, looking crazy doing that. But thanks anyway, guys. Love you all, and I wish you the best.